Hi everyone, so today I got my Xiaomi Huami Amazfit 2. I'm waiting for this smartwatch from last 15 days, but today finally I got the delivery, so let's unbox it. So this is the basic box of Amazfit 2. So this is some of the basic description of the watch. I got this watch for 999 RMB. It is actually 152 US dollar. So let's see what's inside. So here is our Xiaomi Huami Amazfit smartwatch 2, and so this is the instruction. All things are in Chinese, and this is the charger. So we have only 3 things inside, so let's see. The screen size is 1.34 inch paired with the leather straps. On the bottom it is polycarbonate case with stainless steel charging contacts. The buttons are also stainless steel. The look is really nice. I really like it. So we can turn on the watch with the upper button. So now we have to scan the QR code. And install a app, Amazfit Watch app. It will take a few minutes. So we can log in with our Xiaomi ID, or if you don't have, you can make it. Xiaomi Amazfit have 2 variants. One is this one, the regular one. One is the premium one, 2S, which is available from 10th of January. So here we go, 10 o'clock, 9th January, Tuesday. So from the bottom, this is for notification. On the left side there are some sports feature which you can use it. The upper button is also used for moving up. So when we slide down, it will show us the flight mode, brightness, weather, setting. So till now all things are in Chinese, but they are saying they will launch a English version update soon. So here is our Xiaomi Huami Amazfit 2. I will give you a full review in few days. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.